Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your TikTok inbox. So in here, I'm going to start by opening the TikTok app. And in here, after you open TikTok, you'll easily spot the inbox menu at the bottom. This one. So under the inbox, there will be some of notifications that you can see. For example, if you get new followers, you can see it in here. You can also see your activities, like if someone reply to your comments or view your profile or follow you, you can see it on that, on the activity. And also if you do some shopping on TikTok, you can also see the progress of your shopping in here, this shopping, the updates, and there will also a system notification. And here you can also see if someone message you, you can see it in here if they replied or if you send a message to someone. And on the top you can see if some of your friends update a story, you can see it in here. Okay, so that's pretty much all. That's how you can check your inbox on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.